Jinhua Thomas, Executive Director of Elite Welding Academies.
Hi, I'm Mike Rice. I'm Director of Instruction for Elite Welding Academy here at the Cincinnati campus.
My name is Daniel Martin. I'm the Admissions Administrator here at the Cincinnati campus.
I am Casey Sine. I am the bursar for the Elite Welding Academies, and I am located here in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Hi, I'm Mike Sine, Lead Instructor, Cincinnati campus, Elite Welding Academy.
I'm Mark Jameson, one of the instructors at Elite Welding Academy of Cincinnati.
Hi, I'm Ben Woolwine, and I'm an instructor here at the Elite Welding Academy at the Cincinnati campus.
Hi, I'm Sean Kennedy, instructor here at Elite Welding Academy at the Cincinnati campus.
Hi, my name's Cord Cummer, and I'm an instructor here at Elite Welding Academy here in Cincinnati.
Hello, my name is Josie Gover, Lab Assistance for Elite Welding Academy, Cincinnati location.
Hello, I'm Herschel Cates, Training Coordinator with Elite Welding Academy in Cincinnati, Ohio.